Happy Friday to you. I am happy that you are here with me. We are going to have a little bit of fun today, I hope, playing a game. It's a lot more fun to play a game when we're all together in school, but we're going to try to figure out a way that we can do this while you're at home and I'm at home. So, our activity for today will be to review some of the digraphs that we've been learning in Unit 7 so we can put this unit away and start Unit 8. So, let's review a couple of them. They shouldn't be new to you. We've been working on these for the last couple weeks. So the first one is the sound for ch, 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 and that's made with the letters C, H, C, H, okay? The next one that we're going to review today is the sh sound. What letters make up that sound? The letters S-H, say sh, right? Okay, we've also done the letters T-H is a digraph that says like thumb, T-H. And we know that T-H also says when it's voiced. So it's written the same way whether we say or okay? And then we're also going to do, we're not going to do the QU today, but we will do the sound, the sound, which is made with the N and the G, okay? So, in order for us to do this, I need you to get a piece of paper. So, either pick up a piece of paper if you have one near you, or pause the video and go get yourself a piece of paper. You're also going to need a pencil or a marker or something to write with, okay? So, once you do that, you're going to take your paper when you have it, and I'm going to ask you to fold it in half. You're going to fold it the long way, so you're going to have it this way, where the long part of the paper, the long edge, is on the top and the bottom, and then you're going to fold it over, and you're going to match your corners, just like we do in school. We learn that in art, to fold your paper, and then you'll press all up and down one side so that you have what looks kind of like a book, right? Okay, then you're going to turn it over again so that the long side that you have is on the top and the bottom, and I'm going to ask you to fold it again, matching those top corners and the bottom corners. If you need a grown-up to help you, that would be fine. If it's not perfect, that's okay, as long as you do your best, okay? And then this one's going to be a little harder to fold because the paper is getting thicker, but you're going to turn it one more time so that the long part goes across the top and the bottom. And then you're going to bend it to the side to make what looks again like another little book. I am using pretty thick paper, so mine is getting harder and harder to fold. Okay, so then you should have what looks like a little tiny book. I'm just going to ask you to open it. Once you open it, you should have a lot of boxes on your paper. Okay, I'm holding it again the long way, and you should have some boxes. So you're going to put that down on your table. I'm going to put mine up here so that you can see it, since my camera is propped up on my handy dandy camera holder. If you saw that, I painted it blue because blue is my favorite color. Okay, so I'm taping mine, but you're just going to put yours down on your table, okay? And I'm just going to trace over them. So I'm going to trace across the middle. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to trace down the middle there, and I'm going to trace down this line, and do my best to trace down that line. And there you go. Now you kind of have like a little game board. You see that? So Miss Hales is going to write some words, and I want you to write them with me. but I'm not going to read them to you. I'm just going to spell them for you, and then later on we'll go through and we will play a little game where we cross off the word that you hear. Okay, so in this first square right here, I want you to write this word, so spell it. Are you ready? I want you to write I-N-C-H. I-N-C-H. Go ahead and write that word in that first square. Okay, are you ready? And in the next square, I want you to write the word S-H-O-P. S-H-O-P. If your grown-ups are there with you, don't read the word to them. I just want them to spell it, because later when I say the word, I need them to find it, and then we'll cross it out. It's kind of like playing bingo. Okay, in this next space, I want you to write the word C-H-I-P. C-H-I-P. Go ahead and write that down. Are you ready? In the next space, I want you to write the word P-A-T-H. P-A-T-H. Then down here in this space, the bottom left corner, I want you to write the word B-A-N-G. B-A-N-G. Spell that one. In this next space, I would like for you to write the word P-U-S-H. P-U-S-H. Okay. In the next space, right here, I want you to write the word K-I-N-G. K-I-N-G. And then in the last one, I want you to write the word T-H-I-S. T-H-I-S. Okay? All right. Now, you should have all of your spaces filled. If you haven't had time to fill it yet, pause the video and make sure that you have your card that looks just like my card. Okay? Now, this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to say a word. After you find it, I just want you to cross it out. Okay, and once your whole board is filled, then we'll be done with our game for today. Okay, we can give ourselves a cheer, a hip hip hooray, or something. Are you ready? Okay, the first word I want you to find and cross out is the word king. King. The prince would grow up one day to become the king. Let's sound it out. K-ing. Can you find that word on your board? Once you find it, cross it out and wait patiently for the rest of our friends to find it. Okay, Miss Hales will find it for us now too. This is the word king. K-ing. King. So you can cross it out. We have 7 left that we need to find. Are you ready for our next word? Get your marker ready or your pencil. The next word I want you to find is the word shop. Shop. Let's sound it out. Sh, op, shop. Go ahead and look for it and cross it out. Did you find it? Here's the word shop. Let's sound it out. Sh, op. I'm going to cross that one out. Now we have two words. Okay, the next word I want you to find is the word path. Path. She walked along a path in the forest. Path. What do you hear in that word? Path. Path. Did you find it? Path is right up here. Path. Path. Cross that out. Good job. See how smart you are? All right. The next word we're going to find is the word inch. 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 She measured the worm and it was about an inch long. It wasn't very big. Inch. Let's sound it out. Inch. Inch. Find the word and cross it out with an X. Here it is. Inch. Inch. Good job. Okay, we're halfway there. We've got 4 more words. So get your thinking caps on and get ready. I would like for you to find the word push. Push. Let's sound it out. Push. Push. I wonder which of these words could be the word push. What's the first sound you hear? I hear a p, p, p. There's only one word left that starts with the P. Push. Push. There you go. Okay, we've got 3 more words. I want you to find the word this. This. Let's sound it out. Is this. Here is the word this. This. Cross that word out. How many words do you have left on your card? I have 2 left on mine. There's one up here, and there's one down here. I would like for you to find the word chip. Chip. She put a chip in her mouth and crunched it. Sounds yummy, huh? Chip. Here we go. Chip. Chip. Here's the word chip. CH says chip. Chip. Cross it out. Do you know what that last word is? Can you read it and shout it out loud? All right, I need you to find the word bang. Bang. Let's break it down. B-ang. One more time. B-ang. Bang. That's our last word. The word was bang. Good job. Let's give ourselves a hip hip. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! We did it. It's also another hip hip because today is Friday. Fridays are always fun days. I hope you've enjoyed our little activity that we did. Like I said, it would have been much more fun if we could have played bingo or something like this at school. Hopefully one of these days we'll be back there again soon. In the meantime, I hope that you have a nice weekend. Your teachers are thinking of you and we're missing you. We're enjoying all of your work that you're sending to us and the projects that you're doing. especially this week with recycling. Now next week we're going to start a new unit with phonics, and Miss Hales is going to learn how to do some Nearpod this weekend. So I'm going to work on that. Next week our phonics lessons will look a little bit different because we'll be using Nearpod, so I can see some of your work and some of your answers. So I hope that you have a wonderful weekend. Be good to your family, be good to yourself. Take care. Bye.